Hello kids, welcome back to your favorite channel, Kiddo Color Club. Today we are going to color a wonderful picture, a rocket flying in the sky with stars and the moon. Let's have fun together. Add colors and learn the names of colors. First, let's color the rocket's body. A strong and colorful rocket body will help it fly high in the sky. Now, let's color the rocket's nose cone so the astronauts can see the beautiful space outside. Look at the rocket's fins, the little wings on both sides. These fins help the rocket stay steady as it flies into space. Now, let's draw and color the rocket's fire flame. Wow! Doesn't it look like the rocket is really flying? We can't forget the night sky. Let's color the moon a soft yellow. The stars will be golden yellow and twinkling, and the background sky will be dark blue, just like a real night sky. And now kids, it's magic time. Our rocket drawing is coming alive. Look, the rocket is really flying into space. The stars are twinkling and the moon is glowing bright. Look kids, our picture is now colorful and beautiful. We have a rocket, fire flames, the moon, and lots of shining stars. Today we learned the rocket flies high into the sky. Fire gives it power. The moon lights up the night, and stars make the sky magical. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your favorite channel, Kiddo Color Club.